my beautiful people, welcome back to Alizé's Beauty. Hope everybody's doing fabulous. Today we are going to be comparing the Anastasia mascara with the Roller Lash. Let's see what happens. So we are going to be testing today the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Lash Brag mascara. Now I wanted to get it because who doesn't like mascara? Here is the mascara. Let me see. This is the box. If I could zoom that in for you guys. Right there. All right. So I wanted to test it out. I took it out. This retails for $25. So this is how it looks in the packaging right here. So I could zoom that in for you guys right there. That is the Anastasia one. I love how it has the ombre effect. That I think is pretty cool. I love it's nice, chic, and classy. Definitely love that. That's one of the reasons why I didn't do like my full-blown makeup with the shadows and everything, because I want to give you guys a full look at how it looks. But I'll be honest, I do like that it's like metal. Like, it's not cheap made. I hate when you buy mascaras and you're spending a good amount of money and then they're like cheap made. I'm sorry. But obviously the main thing is, does it work? Now, that's my question. Now, this is my first impression. Usually, I'll be honest, I love using the Roller Lash from Benefit. That is honestly my favorite just because I really don't have lashes. And normally, I really don't like to wear falsies all the time. Just once in a while, I like to do them. But this is my favorite. And this is obviously a new one. So, let's see. I am going to compare because I was like, should I just do, both of these lashes in each eye, or should I just do one in one? I'm like, nope, I'm gonna do one in one. Let's just go ahead and see. I will compare because there's so many reviews already out there of how it looks, but I really want to see is it gonna hold up to someone who has sensitive eyes, because I did try the Thrive mascara. I know you guys heard about that one. I guess it's like so big on social media. I tried it. I had to take it off within 3 seconds. I'll be honest, it irritated my eyes that bad. It just had to go. Nope, had to go. So Thrive for me is not good. No. So I was like, let's see if Anastasia is going to be one of the ones. So let's go ahead and start applying. I'm going to do Anastasia on this side, and I'm going to do the roller on this side just because I want to compare to see how they look. Do I like them both? Are they going to work? What is it? So let me go ahead and start with my, oh, look, I didn't even show you guys the brush. I'm sorry. Don't mind me. All right, so this is how the brush looks like. Honestly, it reminds me a little bit of the what is it, the Too Faced one, how it's made. So if you guys already own the Too Faced one, that's how it kind of reminds me of. But anyways, let's go ahead and start applying. But I do notice like the bristles are a little bit different. That's one thing I do like compared to the Too Faced. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna do this one. Let's do one layer, see how it looks. Okay, coats really well. Now I definitely love a lot of mascara, so that's just me. I think you're supposed to do like one and then two. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so far like that, I feel like it did get every little nick and cranny. All right, and mind you, my lashes are short, so okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom. I don't always do this when I do my mascara. That's, I don't know, it's a habit. I don't know why, like it doesn't do anything, but it does it. Okay. All right. I'll be honest, it coated them pretty well. I'll be honest, I am definitely shocked. All right. Let's give you guys a close-up a little bit closer. So that is just, wow. I'll be honest, I'm kind of impressed. I'm definitely impressed. Like, whoa. And I hadn't even curled my lashes yet. So, all right. So what I'm going to do is just going to compare with the Roller Lash. I'll be honest, now I don't even want to compare it. I feel like, whoa. All right. But I'm still going to compare. And this is the brush, how it comes on the roller. This one's definitely a little bit different. The one reason I do like the Roller Lash is because it has the little bristles that I feel like it's every nick and cranny. So let's see. All right. Get in there. All right. I'll be honest, I feel like this one looks darker, and I feel like it grabbed more because I'm going to have to go back into my roller. All right, let's see. Get that baby in there. All right. And then don't forget, I'm also going to do the bottom one. All right. And let's go in for the bottom lashes. And I like because this one doesn't flake as well, so that's one of the beauties of this one, because that is the worst thing when your shadow in your makeup is popping and then you got the mascara all over. No, 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 no. And as a mom of 3, you're going to get time to keep reapplying. Nope, sorry, nope, can't do it. Especially if you're working long hour shifts. Oh my goodness, no, can't do that. All right, let's see. Sorry, kind of smudging myself when I was applying the mascara, but just comparing the two, I'm like, what do you guys think? Let's get a little closer. See if I can look up. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I'm kind of impressed right now just with the Anastasia one. I feel like that one, I did really just like a couple coats, but I feel like I didn't have to dip back into the brush, which was nice. I don't know. I like it. So let me go ahead and let it dry. And let me go ahead and also curl my lashes. So I will be back in a couple seconds. Okay, my beautiful people. So we're back. I did curl my lashes. Now don't forget, I do have the roller lash from Benefit on this side and then the Anastasia one on this side. So let's see what you guys think. I will be honest, I'm super impressed. I definitely like. I like the Anastasia. Now, is it so big of a deal that made me leave this one? I don't know. Time would tell. I'm going to see if it flakes throughout the day or anything. But I'll be honest. So far, my eyes they're not irritated. I can't talk today. My goodness. They're not irritated. So that's definitely a plus. Because believe me, when my eyes get irritated, quick and simple, I'm done. It tells me right away. And then this one, like I said, I love the packaging. I love how it feels. It doesn't feel cheap. So that's one thing I definitely love. And another thing is when you open it, the bristles. I'm going to see if I could get it close for you guys to see. Let's see if I could adjust it so I could focus on the brushes. Because I really want you guys to see the brushes. I'm not sure if it's going to focus. I hope it is. But the brushes are like really intact. Like, I don't know. That's probably why it's giving it like a good, like focus. I don't know. Like it's really grabbing on. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the, what is the Cosmetics? The one would combine with the dry bar. That's the one it kind of reminds me of. But I'll be honest, I'm loving it. So far, I'm definitely loving the mascara. Do I recommend it so far? I do. I'll be honest. Does it make me want to switch out from this one? I don't know. I still like this one, but I'll be honest. I feel like if you want something more, I would say put it like this. If you want more of a natural look, I would do this one. If you want more of a dramatic look, I would do this one. And just because I feel like this one, the Anastasia, I feel like it kind of separated each one pretty good compared to my Benefit. I feel like my Benefit kind of clumped up a little bit right here. I don't know why. This is just me. I don't know. Maybe when I curled it. I don't know. But I don't know. But I'll be honest. I do like it. I do like it. I'm not going to lie. This was a good purchase. Can't go wrong now. I'm definitely going to do a little bit of my eyeshadow because I feel weird without eyeshadow. I got to have a little eyeshadow, maybe a little bit more lipstick on it instead of lip gloss. Definitely. Oh, and one thing before you guys forget, that's one reason I took this Carly Bible eyeshadow palette out is because this one right now is on sale at Ulta and I believe Sephora as well for $22. I couldn't resist. I don't need that many more, obviously, shadows, but I figured, hey, if it's on sale, why not snatch it up since I'm there? Might as well. But this one I got from, obviously, Ulta and Ulta, obviously. You gotta get those points. That's the only thing Sephora you're missing out on is those points. That's the only thing. If it wasn't for that, But Anastasia, do I recommend it? Yes. I don't know. Definitely recommend it. All right. I hope you guys like my review. Sorry, I'm rambling. I've got the kids here. I hope everybody's doing fine. Everything has been crazy. Can't go nowhere. So I figured, hey, let me go ahead and do a video since I got my shipment in. So, all right. So don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. And I'll see you soon.